Hello friends, welcome to Arihant Diamond Institute. There are 4 C's means color, clarity, cut and carat in the diamonds that decides the value of the diamonds, but there is also one more interesting and relevant factor which affects the value of the diamonds, and that is fluorescence. As it is said that if you get down to do any task, so do it with such a grace and charm that the task itself feels proud that it has been done by your creative hands, isn't it? So in our today's video, we will get knowledge about the fluorescence and its types. It's really going to be helpful if you don't want to be in trouble while selling or purchasing your diamond. Whether the diamond is certified or non-certified, fluorescence has to be checked. Without that, you can be in a great loss due to your one carelessness. If you have seen the certificate of any certified diamond from a lab, then apart from 4 C's, fluorescence is also mentioned, and where it is, for that you can also check our video on how to read the certificate of diamonds, which we have uploaded on our YouTube channel of Arihant Diamond Institute for you. So coming back to our topic, up till now after introduction, your curious minds must have arisen with a question that what is fluorescence? Fluorescence is the emission of visible light by a diamond when it is stimulated by invisible rays. Confused? Making it more simple, or if we say in a layman's language, keeping the diamond in UV light or lamp, if the diamond changes its color, then this effect is called fluorescence. Diamond will change its color to blue when UV light passes through it. In diamonds, there are also many different colors of fluorescence like pink, yellow, orange, etc. But in 99% of the diamonds, blue is the most commonly observed color in fluorescence. Fluorescence is also a factor for deciding the diamond's value. But have you ever thought what's the reason for fluorescence in the diamond? So fluorescence in the diamond occurs when diamond contains trace amount of an element that reacts under the UV light. So there are 3 main elements that reacts under UV light. They are aluminium, boron and nitrogen, which reacts under UV light and causes the color change in the diamond. Of course, which is only observed with the help of UV light and can't be identified with a loupe or a naked eye. Now let's talk about the type of fluorescence in the diamonds. Mainly there are 5 types of fluorescence in the diamonds, and which goes like this: none, faint, medium, strong and very strong. As you all must have observed that as the fluorescence moves further from none to very strong, the blue shade also gets darker and darker. So in the same way, as the fluorescence increases in the diamonds, it also reduces its value. But how this reduction in the value is made? Do you know? Due to which type of fluorescence, how much percentage you will reduce from your value? For making your business profitable, you just can't be left without knowing this. And you all know that a small profit is better than a big loss. So hurry up friends, early birds catches the worms. So quickly be the part of Arihant Diamond Institute to make yours the profit motive business by learning all the nooks and corners of valuation. Arihant Diamond Institute is the only institute where 24 courses are available from rough to polish and jewelry designing with valuation. 14 crash courses and online courses too. For more details, visit our website or you can contact on our numbers given below. Thank you. And for doing many more such courses, contact Arihant Diamond Institute. And to see such informative videos, like this video, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.